Hi everybody, I'm Morgan. I'm one of the Master Aestheticians at Juvly Cincinnati, and today we're going to be talking about CoolSculpting. CoolSculpting is an FDA-approved, non-invasive fat reduction treatment. A treatment is made up of 2 cycles, and most clients need anywhere from 2 to 4 treatments. We use CoolSculpting to treat multiple areas in the body, such as arm fat, bra fat, back fat, flanks, inner and outer thighs. If you can pitch it, we can freeze it. So the ideal candidate is someone that's 10 to 15 pounds from their goal weight, or someone that's looking for a little jump start. They're thinking about dieting and exercising, and they just need a little help. The great thing about CoolSculpting is there isn't a lot of downtime. Most clients can go right back to work. Your CoolSculpting results are permanent. As long as you're maintaining a healthy lifestyle, these results are going to last. Booking a consultation is fast, easy, and free. Check us out online at www.juvly.com.